Pelonis heaters are built with multiple safety systems, and when one of these is triggered, the heater may shut off and require a reset. The exact location of the reset button depends on the model. On some units, the reset button is located inside the heater and can only be accessed by removing a few screws, while oil-filled radiator models often have a clearly visible red reset button on the top that pops up after overheating. Because placement varies, it's always a good idea to check your specific user manual so you know exactly where to look. To reset your Pelonis heater safely, start by turning the unit off and unplugging it from the wall. Let it cool for at least 10 minutes so internal components can fully reset and to avoid burns. While it's cooling, inspect the heater for dust, debris, or anything blocking the air vents and clear any obstructions you find. Once cooled, plug the heater back into a working outlet. If your model includes a reset button, press and hold it for about 5 seconds, then release. Turn the heater back on and test it. If it still won't operate normally, refer to the manual for model-specific steps or contact Pelonis customer support for further help.